Hello, dear colleagues. As you know, classroom management is no joke and we need every help we can to be successful at it. I hope this video was helpful in keeping your classes under control, yet fun. It's that struggle that every teacher has definitely encountered at least once in their teaching lives. So how do we manage this common classroom problem? The bane of every teacher since the beginning of time or a class, at least. In this video, we Lions talk about some common mistakes we teachers commit and then some tips we can use in our own classes. It may work for a couple of seconds or minutes, but then they'll go right back into being noisy. Plus, it's really not good for your voice. Start off with a firm statement of what you want. For example, I need everyone's attention now. Look in the direction of the students who are misbehaving. Use a firm but kind voice. Don't be afraid to pause and wait for the noise to die down. Be firm and consistent, and don't be afraid to have fun with your students. You don't want to damage your instrument, do you? Share it with your friends and leave a comment below on what you think. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. Mistake number 1. Shouting at the kids. Shouting at them will only make them want to shout more. It doesn't work long-term. Mistake number 2. Sending bad students away. When you're really cool and calm, they'll be on their best behavior. Put your hands together like you're holding a gun. Slowly turn to face the class, keeping your cool. They might just be on their best behavior for the rest of the period. This isn't really effective because while you're focusing on the other students, the disruptive ones are still going to be causing chaos. And when you come back to them, they'll probably be even worse than before. This is a great way to get them to listen. When you say their name, they should respond with their full attention. Make it fun by making silly voices or using an accent. Just make sure that you don't single anyone out. Tip number 1, confrontational statements. Tip number 2, do the opposite of what they're doing. If they're rowdy, get them to sit down. If they're loud, ask them to be quiet. If they're talking, get them to listen. If they're moving around a lot, ask them to stay still. Doing the opposite of what they're doing is an effective way to stop bad behavior. Tip number 3, call and respond. Tip number 4, secret agent. If all else fails, act like a secret agent. Well, colleagues, I hope these tips help you deal with that challenging situation. Remember, stay cool. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.